You will learn how to use Google Authenticator app on Instagram in this video so that you strengthen the security of your Instagram account. The first thing is to get to your Instagram app and tap on it. So look at mine here. As the Instagram app opens, tap on your profile icon. In this case, it is at the bottom right because I'm using iPhone. Once you are taken to this page, tap on the three lines at the top right. You'll be provided with some options. Locate the account center. You can see that there and tap on it. In this account center, tap on password and security. On this new page, select two-factor authentication. Here, two profiles are listed. Okay, we have the one of Facebook, which bears my real name, Ozochukwu Mike, and the one of Instagram, which is Godwin Tech. So I'll select Godwin Tech 1, but in your own case, if your Facebook and your Instagram accounts are not linked, you will only see that your Instagram account. So tap on it. So on this page, you will see help protect your account. So Authenticator app is selected, tap on next. So here, this is instruction on what you need to do. But in this case, let me just copy the key to save us time. So I will tap on copy key and save it somewhere. So do the same from your end. The next step you need to take is to install Google Authenticator app. Alright, so I will get to my app store and get it installed. So I'll tap on my app store. On this app store, I'll tap on search and then tap inside the search area and type Google Authenticator. You can see a suggestion has been given to me at the up. I will tap on it. So it has shown up. I will tap on get. So give it time for it to finish its installation. So okay, it says I should press the side button twice and it is installing. So the installation is completed. I will tap on open. So it says stronger security with Google Authenticator. I will tap on get started and I will tap on continue as Godwin. So I will tap on add code. Then it gives me the option of scan a QR code and enter a setup key. I'll tap on enter setup key. So I have filled the name and the key. I will long press here and select paste. And time base is selected, which is cool. I will tap on add. I will tap on this. Get back to Instagram. Okay, tap on next. And then I'll press the long press here, select paste, next. And it said two-factor authentication is on. I'll tap on done. So with this, I have two-factor authentication on my Instagram account. So whenever you want to log into a new device, they will demand for this code. Just get to the app, alright, the Authenticator app, copy the 6-digit code and get back and paste to them.